Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up our summer Fabfitfun. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up our Fabfitfun. If you've never tried this subscription, definitely check it out. It is $49.99, but every season. So this is really, if you've been watching my channel, you guys know I kind of started off with reviewing different subscriptions, but I kind of got overwhelmed with how many products I was having in my house. I felt no need for those, but this is a subscription where you get different products. It's not all makeup, because I mean, in my opinion, how many faces do we have that we need so much makeup? So I guess I'm not one of those makeup lovers. I just like minimal makeup anyway. So this is something that you can try. You get housewares, you do get makeup, you get hair care. I love the hair care products because you guys know I've been for the last year transitioned into just my natural curly hair instead of straightening it out, and that video is coming up probably next month, because next month will be an actual year that I started that journey. So I love the hair care products in here because they're usually sulfate free, they're natural, so I prefer getting things like that. And plus you can get stuff from home products, which when you have, you know, sometimes home items or home decor can be expensive, and if you're paying what, $40, you get $10 off. So if you look under the video, you'll see there's like a special link there, so you can get $10 off if you want to try this out. But if you go on my blog, you can see all of the, or if you go on my YouTube channel, you can search all of my videos from Fabfitfun. This is really the only one I've stuck on for the last, I think it's been like 2 to 3 years that I've been reviewing products on YouTube. So let us take a look and see what's in here. So if you are a seasonal Fabfitfun customer, you get to choose, I believe it's 3 items, but this year was the first time I actually upgraded and paid for the entire year. And this was the first time that I was actually able to choose. This time around, they let you choose all of the products. So I know everything that's in here. And I'll put the retail value on my blog if you guys are curious, but I've never been able to choose all of my products, so that was pretty different. So in every box, you actually get something like this. So you'll get a magazine, and it gives you, see like here, it's already teasing the fall 2021. It doesn't give you like a full description of what's coming, but it shows embrace downtime for skin to soul. Get outdoors and explore. Home is always where the heart is. So it looks like skincare, obviously, something to do with outside, and home decor is what it looks like. But what it does do is within this book, it actually shows you everything that could be in your box. So if you're like a seasonal subscriber, it shows you everything that could have been in there. So one of the items I see is right here, but we're gonna go through this together so we can kind of see. And I totally know that I'm late with this video, but I'll be honest, I had this in my my hallway closet, and I totally forgot it was in there. And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta review that box. It's been sitting there for too long. Okay, so the first thing that I see is AG Hair Care, and this is Recoil. This is a Coil Activator, and like I said, I love when they give me curl products, because actually try them out and see if I want to continue with them. Because once I find a product that I love, I am one of those people that will look for that item in TJ Maxx or try to look for them online and just continue. So let me see if I can give you guys the retail price of this product here for curls. Oh, it doesn't give me a retail price. Let me see. I think they changed. Maybe they changed that. Okay, so I will put the retail price. Hold on. I think they put them in a different section. So give me a second. Okay, so it's kind of throughout the magazines instead of right in the front, the way that it used to be. So this item here, let me see, doesn't look like they're giving the full price of it anymore. So hold on guys, I'm gonna see just before I assume. It doesn't give the full price of it. Okay, so that, if you guys are interested on the full price of this one, go look on my blog, because I will put that price there. So this says coily hair. So this hair type is tightly, let me see. This hair type is tightly coiled, often takes long Z pattern. Coily hair doesn't have many protective cuticles, making it fragile, prone to dryness, whether you're creating a wash and go or recoiling. So this product is great styling cream that helps stretching, define, and strengthen. So it gave you like different options that you could have gotten, but like I said on the vlog, I'll show you guys the retail product for that. We're gonna go through the smaller items and then we'll work our way up to the bigger items. So this one is African Botanics Shimmering Gold. Now, my purpose of getting this one was actually so that I could, like, you know how you wear like a low cut shirt, is to actually put this here or maybe put on your shoulders. So that is my purpose of getting this one. I think this would be perfect for the summer. So let me see if I can show you guys more information on this one, because it's kind of weird that those items are not there. I'm kind of disappointed. I like to be prepared for you guys, so I wish that was there. So for this one, it says, this is high in, this is high in antioxidants and seals in moisture. So that is what this is, that's all it says that this is about. So like it's a shimmer body oil, so in my opinion, there's not much to that. But if you want to see the retail price, that will be again on my blog. Now this one here, what is this? Smooth things over. This is Barefoot Scientist is what that says there. So let me see if we can figure out how to open this. So obviously this is for your foot, so you can make sure your feet look good for the summer. So there's one side and there's another. So let me see if I find anything on this one here. Okay, oh, nope, that's not it. Oh, I see it here. So for this product here, it says, this isn't a pedi, but it's a next best thing. Take the Bare Feet Scientist pedicure file and use it in a circular motion on your feet, your heel, underneath your toes to remove any calluses, dry skin, rough patches. Apply as much as needed and or as little pressure as needed. So I love things like this, especially now you don't want your funky feet out in your sandals, so those are perfect for me. And the next item here is Fruit Butter Lip Mask. So there is that. So let us take a look at this one. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. So I'm not gonna look to see what this one is about, but let us take a look at the product to see what it looks like. So lip mask here. So usually the lip masks that I've seen, they come in the little jar and you just put it on your lips. So this is new. Let me see if I can, because who doesn't love a good smell? Make sure it smells like fruit. Let's see. It does. It does smell fruity. So let's see. So that is what that looks like there. If you can see, it's a little pinkish. And let's see if it, oh, it is very thick. And it smells very fruity. So you can't see it there, but that's perfect to, you know, put overnight. So I definitely will be looking for that. We'll be using that actually, because I love to put moisture on my face at night, like face oils, and I love to use items like that. So let me see, what is this? You got the stickers, so here we go. I give that to my daughter because she likes to journal and she loves putting stickers on her stuff. And let me see what this is. I have no idea what this is. I forgot what, see, you already forget. Oh, I remember what this is. This is actually, my husband works out in the field in his car. So he's actually gonna use this one. I got this for him because I asked him, I said, hey, you might be one of my Fabfit choices, because I wasn't sure what to get for this last one. And since he eats out on the road, I figured this would be perfect. So basically what it is a holder, so you can put your utensils in here, and they gave you utensils also. So this was perfect in my opinion. It's like a cutlery case. This cutlery case is from HYGIENE. So it has the spoon, fork, and knife, so you can cut it in there and just keep it in here. And even if it's like dirty after you eat, this is perfect because you can keep it and your lunch bag doesn't get dirty. So I wasn't too sure what to get for that choice, but that's what I got from him. Okay, so now we're getting to the bigger items. So this is a body. This is a cutting board set of 4. I actually recently bought, if you watched, I believe I did a TJ Maxx video on, I got something from, no, sorry, from Ross. And I actually bought a wooden cutting board, but I don't want that wooden cutting board to get ruined. So these are cutting boards that I'm gonna actually put on top of the wooden ones. So you can easily probably throw these, let me just make sure. It does say that you can put them in the dishwasher. So these are a different set of 4. So let me just show you guys the set of 4, the colors you can see that we'll be using. So we have, they're thin too, which is good. So you can put them right over the wood. So you have red, yellow, green, and a lighter green. So those are the 4 that we have. And then last, we're not last but not least anything. So we have Society 6. This is a wine chiller. We're in the process of getting, like, I'm looking for a wine rack, but I'm looking for a particular wine rack. So I want like a tall, it's gonna go in my living room, but I want like a tall wine rack. So it's, because I don't have that space where it's empty that I'm picturing that wine rack to go is in a space where it's not large, but it would be cute to have like a tall, in my opinion, to have a tall wine rack. So that's where that would go. So this purpose is a wine chiller, just to keep it cold when we do decide to open one up. So this is supposed to keep your wine cooler chill. So that is, see the inside, it's like one of those insulated glasses that keeps your water cold. That's exactly the purpose of this here. So that is that. See, I love the variety of this box because it's like I went shopping, but not really, because you kind of needed stuff and you don't. Now the next item here is actually something that I actually decided to order, because if you follow me on Instagram, you noticed that a little while ago I actually created a coffee bar just based on different ideas that I got from YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. And if you see the finished touches of that Instagram post of my coffee bar, you guys know that it basically was a lot of Rae Dunn. So this was Rae Dunn. When I saw this as a choice, that was like the first thing I said, okay, yeah, I need that in my life, because this is probably, I'm not too sure where this is gonna go in my kitchen, but I didn't care, it's Rae Dunn. So I'm one of those people that like Rae Dunn products. So you got these little cute wooden sticks here. What this is a, hold on, does it tell you? Oh, a guac and salsa bowl set. Now we have been eating a lot this summer, the kind of like the Chipotle tortilla chips with the cheese, not the guac. My husband loves the guac, but not really the guac, because my son and I, we prefer the queso. So we've been eating a lot of that. So just to kind of match my coffee mugs, I had to find a space for this, but this is salsa, and this one is the guac. So these were cute, and is the reason why I was excited about this box, because I wanted these 2 items here. So that is everything in my Fabfitfun box. So like I said, there's a lot of items. Let me see if I can show you guys. There's a lot of other choices you could make, but the reason why I love this box is because it's whatever you need at that moment. So since I'm in decorator mode, that's what I needed in the moment with the cutting boards and the guac and the salsa, and the other stuff was like awesome extras that, you know, if you think about it, if you pay $40 just for the Rae Dunn and the cutting board and the wine chiller, if you went to the store, sometimes those items are, they total up to that, depending. But I wanted to show you guys everything that you could have chosen instead in this box. So you could have gotten a bag, you could have gotten a scarf. Here's some other, I'm just making sure you guys can see. These are the other items you could have gotten. Let me see here. And here's some more. So these are the other items you could have gotten as well. So I love the variety of this box, because like I said, I always find things that I need in these boxes. So for me, Fabfitfun has always been worth it. I think I've had Fabfitfun probably for like 2.5 years now or more. But I believe it's 2.5 years. If you go on my YouTube channel, you can see the very first Fabfitfun I got, which actually was a birthday present from my husband, and my first box was like a spring box. So if you want to go back and look up spring, that's the very first box that I've gotten. And as you can see, I've stuck with Fabfitfun the only subscription I've stuck with just because of the variety of items we get. So if you're thinking about Fabfitfun, if it's worth it, in my opinion, it has been, because I have yet to cancel this box out. So I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite item from Fabfitfun. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.